Hello everyone, I'm Geeta Dhul. On behalf of Social Umbrella Foundation, welcome you all on the 4th annual journal meeting. We really hoped and wished that this year we would be able to do it offline with all the members meeting personally, but unfortunately we are doing it online. We wish to meet you all soon personally and hope this tough time soon gets over. Thanks for joining us. Let me first give you a brief snapshot of the activities carried on by Social Umbrella Foundation as an NGO. Well, this organization has been registered as Section 8 company under Ministry of Corporate Affairs as not-for-profit organization, which was started in the year 2017 by Mrs. Bhavna Bajaj, who is the founder and the director of the same. Some main objectives we are working in the area of education and skill development, poverty alleviation, women empowerment, and to spread civic sense in the society. We are spreading the awareness about laws, about rights, be it child rights, women, human, legal, or senior citizen rights. And the most important is we are working in the areas of health and hygiene. Now, I will talk about a few activities organized by us. It was with great excitement we conducted Masti Ki Pathshala. It was 21 days long summer camp where extracurricular activities such as painting, dancing, singing were organized. Children enjoyed to the fullest. Those were the old days when there was no fear of coming out of the houses. Dare to be Rare Walk, which was organized to bring physically challenged people into the mainstream. This effort of ours was very well appreciated. These special children were motivated, helped in building up their confidence, high self-esteem, and make them feel the part of the society. Workshop on alternate therapy was conducted at Gandhi Peace Auditorium, helping people to have alternate therapy apart from allopathic. This was too well appreciated and received by many. Plantation Initiative Program under the project named Green Gem was executed to make people know about the importance of trees, which was carried out in Delhi, NCR, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh, where large number of people participated in the plantation and thousands of plants or the trees were planted. A campaign was carried on in Haryana on menstruation, where almost 500 girls were given information and awareness about hygiene during menstruation. News coverage. Last 1.5 years has really been very tough for all of us. Still, we took small steps to continue our journey. The organization encouraged local artisans and women to be self-reliant and have provided a platform to grow their business. Approximately 1 lakh masks were made, manufactured, and distributed. The organization supported the lives of worst hit people and distributed food, sanitizers, masks, sanitary pads. Masks were not only distributed, but people were made aware of the importance of masks and personal hygiene. Distribution of ration to the migrants. The children were the most perplexed and confused lot. They were forced to stay indoors. So drawing books, colors, toys, and some games were provided to them so that they stay indoors and they are safe. We help the forces also who were deployed at their post by distributing them the water, biscuits. We do get encouraged when people notice our small gestures. Now we talk about our ongoing projects. हमारी ज़रूरतें एक कदम स्वच्छ स्वस्थ भारत की ओर. Where personal hygiene and health are the subjects of prime concern. Health kits containing sanitary pads, masks, sanitizers have been distributed in the slum areas. Not only have they been distributed, but people are made aware of all these. Success Booth for Youth, an initiative for students. This is the initiative which was started a long time back, where youth of today was motivated, counseled, encouraged. The team of Social Umbrella Foundation visited many schools and colleges and had direct interaction with the students. But unfortunately, we could not continue physically due to COVID. But we started same online last year, and it has been well appreciated, well received by our younger lot. They have been trained on employability skills such as interview skills, communication skills. Various sessions on how to deal with anxiety and stress during COVID-19 were held to help students to come out of the fear of the unknown. We had the privilege to have Mr. Manish Srivastava with us, who is the author of the book named Main Munna Hoon, which was based on child abuse, where the issue of child abuse was discussed with its repercussions. It was well appreciated and well received by many. Another project which is going on is Law Simplified. To understand law is not easy for a common person like me, and there are a number of people who do not understand law or have any idea about their rights. But our director, Mrs. Bhavna Bajaj, took initiative and started the project called Simplified Law. This has been helping common men to understand law in a simpler manner. Under this, we have been inviting eminent lawyers and have been interacting with them and learning about law in a simpler way. Social umbrella connected humanity, such talk. We work for humanity, and we do get motivated when we reach out to people who have directly or indirectly served the mankind or has helped people in their own little way. We interact with them, we share their experiences. We had Mr. Gopal Krishna Agarwal, who spoke about the economy. Mrs. Renu Hussain shared her experience on education and on poetry. Human rights are the basic rights and freedom that belong to every person in the world from birth until death. They can never be taken away. Although they can sometimes be restricted, human rights are relevant to all of us, not just for those who face repression or mistreatment. These rights protect us in many areas of day-to-day life. Mrs. Meena Gupta, President of Mahila Mandal Punjabi Bar, has been nominated as the President of Human Rights Cell of West Delhi Zone. Thank you so much, everyone, for contributing your effort, your time, and your patience to make Social Umbrella Foundation to achieve its goal and objectives. I now hand over to our director, Mrs. Bhavna Bajaj, for further proceedings.
Thank you so much, Geeta. Meena ji is also here, but I guess she's on mute. She's on mute. So I invite Bhavna Arora ji to talk about our legal work and legal research work and human rights work.
Hello, I'm Advocate Bhavna Arora, practicing since 1998. And since then, I wanted to work with some NGO, and Madam Bhavna Bajaj gave me this opportunity. And now I'm working with Social Umbrella Foundation as its legal advisor. And during my linkage with Social Umbrella Foundation, a Department of Human Rights has been made under the NGO and did a lot of in-depth study so that the help of government agency be taken to help human rights of the society. I like to highlight the work by the HR cell of Social Umbrella, which are as under. HR cell did in-depth study regarding population control to curb this menace, which is a great obstacle in the progress of this country, and HR cell of Social Umbrella Foundation wrote a letter to BCD to allow the advocates to pursue another avocation without surrendering their license to survive in this difficult time. And street children are facing lots of difficulty to survive, and substance abuse is also one of them. As Social Umbrella Foundation wrote a letter to NHRC to take preventive and coercive steps to solve this problem. And Social Umbrella Foundation took another initiative regarding the pollution. We wrote a letter to NHRC and Delhi government to take effective steps to curb the control of pollution which we are facing on every year basis. On our letter, NHRC took the required step, and newspaper also covered this news. And again, the Social Umbrella Foundation went in depth regarding the agriculture bills which have been proposed or implemented by our Prime Minister. And there was a lot of hue and cry not to implement it or not to let it implement it. Or it was rather optional that the state want to implement it or not. And since their agitation is going on like anything, which is disturbing the entire fabric of the society, and when I gone into it, I came to know that there was no provision which is going to hamper the present fiber of agriculture system. Rather, it was a way, it is a way by which the farmer can do to its best for their future and for future of this country, to make them secure as far as granary or other agricultural products are concerned. And we also took the topic of manual scavenging. Rather, the fact is that long back it was banned by Supreme Court that no person will be sent into the drain without implementations or safety measures. But till date, Delhi government is not taking any initiatives, not providing any safety measure to these people, and they are going into drain. And lots of people are dying because of this. We wrote to the department concerned to take the preventive step to save the human life from this kind of loss. And as far as ITI, we all know that it's very important implement to take the information from the government agencies. So we understood that if to make it so we have gone into
Can I invite Meena ji for भावना जी प्लीज? मीना जी, मैं आपका स्वागत करती हूँ यहाँ पर, क्योंकि आपने शायद माइक ऑन किया ऑफ किया हुआ था, तो उस समय और भी लोग थे। तो आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे ह्यूमन राइट सेल में। ह्यूमन राइट सेल में हम लोग आप जितना भी काम कर, सबसे पहले मैं आप लोगों से मीना गुप्ता जी का इंट्रोडक्शन कराती हूँ कि ये महिला मंडल की प्रेसिडेंट हैं और इनको हम पावर हाउस कहते हैं। तो अगर ये एक महिला हमारे साथ बैठी हैं तो आप इनको एक नहीं गिने, आप इनको 10,000 गिने। तो मीना जी, आप खुद प्लीज सोशल अम्ब्रेला और हमारे एसोसिएशन के बारे में कुछ बताइए।
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। मैं भावना बजाज जी से लगभग 4 साल पहले हम जुड़े थे। 4 नहीं तो 6 साल हो गए होंगे केजरीवाल जी को जब हमारे इस प्रोग्राम में आए थे, तब हम जुड़े थे आपस में। और भावना जी के ऑफिस में भी कई बार हमारी मीटिंग हुई, कई बार हम इनसे मिले। बहुत अच्छा इनका नेचर, और जो ये काम करती है शायद मैं तो उसका एक छोटा सा भाग भी नहीं हूँ जो कार्य करती हूँ, जो बच्चों चाइल्ड पे काम करती है। थोड़ा सा बस ज्यादा मैं इसलिए नहीं बोल रही कि आज हमारी चाची जी का सेकंड डे था, तो मैंने बीच में मीटिंग अटेंड करने के लिए मैं 5 मिनट के लिए आई थी।
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच। आप आए, आपने समय दिया और हम आपका दिल से स्वागत करते हैं और आभार है। आप जुड़े रहिए।
जी ने मुझे जो पद दिया उसके लिए मैं सम्मान करती हूँ, और मेरा पूरा कोशिश रहेगी कि मैं आपके साथ मिलकर पूरा कार्य करूँ।
क्योंकि मीना जी नहीं आएगी ना, मीना जी के साथ एक पूरा मुझे याद है 2016 में हमने एक प्रोग्राम किया, तो सतीश उपाध्याय जी आए हुए थे उस प्रोग्राम में,
बिल्कुल आए थे,
अध्यक्ष थे। और वो जो हमारे जितने भी गेस्ट लिस्ट थे, तो उनको देख के वो उन्होंने ही बोला था कि ये आपको यहाँ पर 200 लोग दिख रहे हैं, 200 लोग नहीं है, ये 2 लाख लोग हैं।
बिल्कुल ठीक कहा था, ये बात मानती हूँ। कोई नहीं, फिर जुड़ के भावना जी, इससे भी अच्छा अब तो हमारे पास पूरी टीम है।
बिल्कुल,
हमारे भावना अरोड़ा जी हैं, गीता जी हैं, तो और अच्छा कार्य करेंगे हम सब मिलकर। तो आज के लिए मैं थोड़ा सा माफी चाहूंगी।
थैंक यू सो मच। तो मीटिंग सॉरी भावना अरोड़ा जी, बिकॉज उनका कॉल आ गया था, तो वो बोल रही थी कि वो पहले बात करना चाहती है या नहीं बात करना चाहेंगी। तो जी प्लीज कंटिन्यू।
Next topic was interfaith marriage. Last year, it was implemented by UP government, and MP government was also planning to implement it. And there was a lot of hue and cry that the agency, other society member was saying that it is against the interfaith marriage. It should be allowed. And because a lot of hue and cry, we took the interest and dwelled deep into question. So we came to know that as far as this law is concerned, it's not against intercaste marriages. Rather, Yogi ji says that no conversion has to be fraudulent. It was for the people who were converting its religion for the sake of marriage, and it was fraudulent. It was meant to stop these kind of deceitful people, not for the intercaste marriages. Rather, they are not against any intercaste marriages, but whatever has to be transparent enough to understand the other partner also. And Bhavna Bajaj madam has told me one day that some changes have been done in Juvenile Justice Act. So I got curious and went into read them, and then came to know that by this act, by these changes, DM has been assigned more powers to implement or control or regulate the adoption. Earlier we were facing some problem. The process was too lengthy, and because of that, the child was suffering. But it was made easier, and the regulation has come, or it's not time consuming that much in comparison to the earlier. This amendment was made for the good of the children. And one day we were discussing those. She came told me that, ma'am, just see the implications of the property matter related rights during regarding the women. And then again we did both of it work. So we came to know that since 2005, before 2005, there was no right of ancestral property by the lady. No lady can acquire the ancestral property, right? But later on, the things are changing a lot. And now, by this way, giving more and more power or giving more and more rights, property right to the women, the court is day by day giving more and more power to women, humanity. So that's all which we have worked together with Bhavna ma'am. Thank you.
भावना जी आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बिकॉज जो भी आपने रिसर्च किया है वो अपने आप में कोई एक पेज नहीं है, कोई एक एक्ट नहीं है, और उसके साथ बहुत सारी जिंदगियां जुड़ी हैं, चाहे वो जुवेनाइल जस्टिस की बात करते हैं, चाहे हम अडॉप्शन की बात करते हैं या इंटरफेथ मैरिज की बात करते हैं। बिकॉज अभी हम लोग देख रहे थे कि अडॉप्शन को लेकर बहुत ज़्यादा मैसेज फॉरवर्ड हो रहे हैं, हमने उसके ऊपर भी रिसर्च किया और उसके ऊपर भी हमने सोशल मीडिया पे काफ़ी अवेयरनेस किया है कि इस तरह का कोई भी आपके पास मैसेज आता है तो उसको एंटरटेन नहीं करें। बिकॉज अडॉप्शन ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने लिख दिया है कि कोरोना से किसी के मम्मी पापा की डेथ हो गई, 4 साल का बच्चा है और 6 साल का बच्चा है तो उसको अडॉप्ट करो, तो एवरीबडी इज लाइक अच्छा मैं अडॉप्ट करता हूँ। तो ये सब चीजें जो है उसमें कोई ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं रहती और आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि ये सब चीजें कब उसमें बिल्कुल इलीगल बच्चों के साथ व्यवहार वहां पहुंच जाती है। तो जो हम बच्चों के लिए करते हैं, चाइल्ड राइट की बात करें या हम सक्सेस बूथ फॉर यूथ की बात करें, तो सक्सेस बूथ फॉर यूथ जो है बच्चे अभी 1.5 साल से घर में हैं, तो अगर हम अपने मोटिवेशन स्किल से, जैसे गीता जी करते हैं, कार्यक्रम करते हैं कि किसी हम 5 बच्चों को भी, 2 बच्चों को भी मोटिवेट कर पाते हैं, तो घर में बैठे बच्चे उनका मेंटल स्टेट क्या होता है। तो जो मुझे मालूम है गीता जी ने एनसीसी के बच्चों को भी ट्रेन किया है और बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस और स्कूल के बच्चों को भी ट्रेन किया। तो मेरे साथ आई कैन से कि हमारे सोशल अम्ब्रेला फाउंडेशन में नवरत्न नहीं रत्नों की खान है, क्योंकि हर कोई अपने आप में जो भी वर्क कर रहा है तो वो सोसाइटी के लिए कर रहा है। बिकॉज कोई भावना बजाज के लिए काम नहीं कर रहा है यहाँ पर, कोई किसी और चीज के लिए नहीं कर रहा है, हम सब एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए कर रहे हैं और सोसाइटी के लिए कर रहे हैं। तो आप लोग इसी तरह हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए और इसी तरह काम करते रहिए। अभी जो मीना जी आई थी उनके साथ इतनी महिलाएं हैं, तो उनके कार्यक्रम कभी हम ऑफलाइन आपस में बात करेंगे तो मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि हम हम तो बिल्कुल उसका, ठीक है उन्होंने हमें ऑनर दिया है मगर हम उसका 10% भी नहीं कर पाते. शी इज लाइक दैट. हर पर्सन की अपनी अपनी अहमियत है, हर मेंबर की अहमियत है. कोई पहुंच पाया या नहीं पहुंच पाया, इट डजंट मैटर. बट अगर हम सोशल अम्ब्रेला फाउंडेशन में हम किसी को भी कोई रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, जैसे अभी मैंने एक वो थी वेजिटेबल वेंडर लेडी थी, तो उसके लिए मैंने सोशल मीडिया पर उसका वीडियो डाला, तो उसके घर के रेंट के लिए 2 महीने के रेंट का अरेंजमेंट हो गया. तो एक 60 साल की महिला के लिए कोरोना में उसका कुछ सामान नहीं बिक रहा है, वो अकेली है, वो अपनी लड़कियों के साथ नहीं जाना चाहती है. हम लोग मिलजुल कर जितना भी कर सकते हैं करते रहे हैं और करते रहेंगे. और आप सब जो भी सुनेंगे या सुन रहे हैं, जुड़े हैं, या जिस तक भी हमारा ये मैसेज जाएगा, तो मैं ये चाहूंगी कि जितने लोग भी हमारे साथ ऑलरेडी हैं, वो कम से कम 5-5 लोगों को और हमारे साथ जोड़िए. क्योंकि एक अकेला पर्सन या 2 या 3 लोग, या हम लोग सेल बना देते हैं, उसके हेड बना देते हैं, तो वो भी नहीं कर पाते. हर पर्सन को अपने साथ एक टीम चाहिए. आज भावना अरोड़ा जी अकेले काम कर रहे हैं, कल को भावना अरोड़ा जी को भी 10 लॉयर की टीम चाहिए. आज गीता जी अकेले कर पा रही हैं, कल को अगर हम उस प्रोग्राम को बढ़ाते हैं तो उनको भी पूरी टीम चाहिए. हमारे एनजीओ में हमने कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं रखी है कि अगर हम बोले कि हम सिर्फ चाइल्ड राइट पे काम कर रहे हैं या सिर्फ हम दिव्यांग बच्चों के लिए काम कर रहे हैं. हमसे जो भी हो पाता है हम अपनी टीम के साथ वो करते आए हैं और करते रहेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच एंड ओवर टू गीता. You are on mute.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Bhavna Bajaj, and thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to do a little bit, which we are able to do it. And thank you so much, Mrs. Bhavna Arora, for all the legal advices you have been providing to the people. And it's a really nice gesture on your part. And we thank everyone who have joined and who could not join because of the tough time we are facing. And thank you so much. And we soon meet. And good days would come, and we will be meeting personally, and we'll be having a good time, and we'll be together doing many things through Social Umbrella Foundation. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.